A shared interest, a shared desire to do the same thing. And you can sing along, and it'd be great if you did, because there's so much filth in the charts nowadays. Even a couple of years ago, you and me are nothing but mammals. So let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel, Dave. Can you believe they used to sing that?
I'm 26, so I've never even heard that song in my life.
Anyway, you can sing along with this, and yeah, do that.
Who starts this one?
Dave starts it. I met her on Facebook in April because I'm incredibly shy. Well, I've seen her photos and her videos. She's up for it, so am I. We met down the pub, it was quiz night. She whipped out a clipboard and pen. She said, I love birds. I was lost for words. I couldn't believe what she said then. Whoa! You've got a handsome cock, Robin.
Nice cock.
I've got a pair of great tits.
Great tits.
Well, her down the road, she's got nothing but thrush. But her Twitter gets plenty of hits. Lots of hits. Because we like to twitch in the garden. The garden. Seeing what birds we can bag. Well, some folk go pale when they see a whitetail, but I'm on the hunt for a shag. It's kind of bird. You Scott. She said if I'd go round one morning, she'd happily show me her stuff. And do unto me what I just had to say. I went off and once wasn't enough. I said I would show her my red shack if she would help me tempt him out. Well, we waited a while, then he came out in style. When she saw him, she let out a shout. Woo! Some of you have heard about that, haven't you? She said, you've got a handsome cock, Robin.
Nice cock.
I've got a pair of great tits. Come on.
Great tits.
Well, her down the road, got nothing but thrush. But her Twitter gets plenty of hits. Lots of hits. Because we like to twitch in the garden. The garden. Seeing what birds we can bag. Well, some folk go pale when they see a whitetail, but I'm on the hunt for a shag. Scott Doonican, what a guy. He's just so multi-talented, isn't he? He's better on instruments with all the required strings, though. Now romance, it started to blossom as winter turned slowly to spring. Well, we found lots to do, waiting for the cuckoo and the lark in the morning to sing. I told her I'd seen a brown booby, but we still didn't spot that cuckoo. Though my dick is okay, was something to lick, then she got a great cockatoo. Now, I'm sure it'll disappoint some of you, but this is the last chorus. So if you could, I know. If you could join in with full-throated abandon, we'd all appreciate it. She said, you've got a handsome cock, Robin.
Nice cock.
I've got a pair of great tits.
Great tits.
Well, her down the road, she's got nothing but thrush, but her Twitter gets plenty of hits. Lots of hits. Because we like to twitch in the garden, seeing what birds we can bag. Now spring it has sprung. Now spring it has sprung. shag. Ladies and gents, give Ron Doonical the ukulele vocalist. Everybody else on everything else.